Thank you for purchasing your retractable weld screen mobile base. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process step by step. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to catch up. Let's get started. Before installing the ROLLTect Retractable Weld Screen mobile base, you must first attach the screen to the post. To do this, you must ensure proper placement. The top bracket needs to be 5 inches or 13 centimeters from the top of the post, and the bottom bracket needs to be 9 inches or 23 centimeters from the bottom of the post. Once you know where the screen should be attached to the post, place the screen on top of the post and ensure they are lined up evenly. Next, attach the screen to the post by drilling the aluminum bracket into the post and securing it with the appropriate fasteners. Now that the screen is attached to the post, it's time to attach the casters to the mobile base. To do this, use the Tech screws supplied with the base. Now it's time to insert the post into the base. Ensure it is turned upright and the holes are aligned. Next, secure the post to the base with the hex bolt, lock nut, and washer. Once screwed on, secure these with a proper wrench or socket. Last but not least, ensure the mobile base is filled with 22 kilograms or 50 pounds of counterweight. This can be concrete, cement blocks, sand, scrap metal, etc. Your retractable weld screen mobile base is now installed and ready to help you work more efficiently and safely. Thanks for choosing Shaver Industries.